we'll guide you through how to share files via Dropbox email. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to Dropbox.com. Sign in with your credentials if you're not already logged in. Once you're on your Dropbox homepage, locate the file or folder you want to share. Hover over the file and you'll see a Share button appear on the right side. Click on this Share button. A new window will pop up, prompting you to enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the file with. You can add multiple email addresses by separating them with commas. Once you've entered the email addresses, you can also add an optional message if you want to provide some context or additional information about the file. Before you hit send, make sure to check the permissions settings. By default, the setting is usually Can View, but if you want them to be able to edit the file, you need to change it to Can Edit. After confirming the permissions, click the Send button, and Dropbox will email a link to the recipients, granting them access to the file or folder. A quick tip: if you want to manage or stop sharing the file later, you can return to Dropbox, find the file, click Share again, and manage the settings from there. This way, you can keep track of who has access and make changes if needed. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.